My name is Jeremy Parkhurst, and I am the service manager at Gary's Heating and Air, and I've been doing this for over 25 years. For Gary's Heating and Air, we are a heat and air company. Whether it's being service or repair or a full installation of a new system, we also do installation and blow-in installation in homes as well. I got started out in the field with actually a plumbing company here in town and was digging ditches and realized real quick that's not what I wanted to do. I'd known about Gary's for a long time, which is really fortunate at the time. I was looking for a position, one had opened up here. Probably the one thing I like about my job the most is being able to help people. We run through some extreme weathers and people are without, and we're there to help them get through it. Education to do heating and air. Amarillo College has a great program here in town. Vista College also has one as well. Amarillo College can be anywhere from 6 months to 4 years, depending on how long they want to actually go through the program. If they want to get a degree in it or just take some classes. Vista is about a 10-month program. It's not something that is required, but it's definitely a benefit for someone who's starting out in the industry. But a degree in heating and air, of course, will fast track you, but until you're in the field and we can see what someone can do, then we'll base their pay or their salary off of that. A typical day around here for the guys, most of the guys get here about 7:45. They start, loading trucks and all that. If they're going to do an install, the install could take anywhere from 8 o'clock in the morning to usually about 5 or 6 in the afternoon. The service guys, a little bit longer day. They're going to start the same thing, about 7:45, but depending on what kind of calls we have, they could be running until 6 or 7 and even 8 o'clock at night. Of course, the number one trait we look for in any employee we're looking at hiring is attitude. We want someone with the right attitude that's going to show up and work. The attics get over 100 degrees to 130 degrees in the summertime, and then of course the wintertime it's cold. So you do have to be willing to put up with that. One of the things that I think most of the guys find satisfying about the job is we are able to help people. And when people don't have heating and air and we're able to go in and help them, it's a good feeling. This is a good position to get started into, whether you want to stay as an installer or if you want to move up to a service technician, or in my case, move up to a managing position. There's always great opportunities here or other places. You can take the same field and go into a maintenance position with a large corporation or even Pantex.